Your landlord is selling the house you're renting, and their buyer just had their lender come inspect the house twice. What's actually happening here? Someone on Reddit posted that they're renting a home and their landlord is selling. TD Bank sent an appraiser for a first visit, then a second lender wanted to come back. So now the tenant is confused. Is this normal? Is the deal falling apart? Are multiple lenders competing? Here's what's likely happening. The first visit was an appraisal ordered by the buyer's primary lender. Standard practice. If that appraisal came in lower than the purchase price, the buyer may have needed to shop for second position lender or an alternative lender, who then ordered their own appraisal. This is actually common in today's market where properties are sometimes priced above what lenders will value them at. So two visits doesn't mean trouble. It might mean the buyer is working harder to make this deal happen. Now as a tenant, you have rights here. You're entitled to proper notice before any showing or inspection. You can say no to unreasonable times, and as a buyer watching this from the other side, if your lender's appraisal doesn't match the price, that gap is yours to cover, or your deal gets restructured. If you're navigating a deal with financing conditions or appraisal gaps, this is exactly where I earn my keep. DM me and let's talk.